Hey guys, running Kimono here. So I went back to Walgreens, did a couple more deals, found some more clearance stuff, and we're talking 75-cent Scott. Hello. And then over at Rite Aid, we have money-making Cetaphil bar soap and free dental care. Oh my gosh. A little bit of coupon mail we'll address at the end. This is from my very good friend Sandra, based out of California. And we'll have all that information at the end if you guys want to see what I got. And then weather report for you. It's about 80 degrees, kind of a hot one today. And just, you know, kind of staying cool. Hi to my mom if she's watching. I hope she's having a fantastic day. Okay, so I know most of you are just here for one store. That is Walgreens. So I just repeated a couple deals, but then I went and used one of these on one of these, and we have very inexpensive paper towel. I'll talk about that. You know what, I'm gonna address this right off the bat because I don't know if everybody's really into this this type of clearance, like Imodium and Prep H, like the most embarrassing stuff we can talk about. But you know what, if you have the cold or flu, or if you've had some food that doesn't agree with you, this might be your best friend. So part of being an extreme couponer is having all this stuff, at least one on the ready, that if you know, you're not feeling good, you have you know, stomach pain or really bad acid. And you know, you get that sometimes depending what you eat, you know. It's always good to have this stuff when you can find it for 90%. Like, that's my Price is Right moment. Okay, so let's talk about the first deal, and I just repeated this one. I'm a huge fan of these Tide Pods, as is my mom. So I'm just trying to stock up on a couple, you know, every other day when I find myself over at Walgreens. So these guys are $4.99 this week, so grabbing two of them, that's $9.98. I had a $2 digital on my store card, plus a $2 from the August P&G. So my new total is $5.98. I threw in 5,000 points, paid 98 cents plus tax, and then this little cutie printed out of the Catalina machine. One per transaction, and if you try to use this on another transaction for this, the second one won't print. But to pay $2.98 for two, or $1.49 per bag of Tide Pods, I mean, that's fantastic. Free and Gentle is a favorite. My mom and husband are both like allergic to everything, so like that is their favorite. So I was very delighted to get two more. So I just wanted to get some Scott paper towel. As you guys know, I have a brood of cats, so I am always going through paper towel a lot, especially, you know, when the cats get sick or they have an accident, which happens a lot when you have three. So these guys are $5 each. And there is this coupon found in the Big Book of Savings on page 10, which is $1.25 off of one. You scan this once, and then it drops it down to $3.75. Hold your hat for a second. Throw in one of these bad boys. You're paying 75 cents plus tax for a 6-pack of Scott's paper towel. That's totally where it's at. I mean, that's just a phenomenal price, and I have no problem doing that, especially to reload on paper towel. Okay, so let's talk about some of this clearance stuff. I went to another store because I was on the hunt for more of this. This is an Epsom salt. If you have, you know, it's actually a laxative to put in water. So if you are, you know, really constipated, you just take a little bit of this and it's gonna help you out. And so anyhow, this guy was 19 cents. So it was $1.90 now down to 19 cents. That's a phenomenal price. And if you're curious, guys, the expiry date is right here on the back. So this is good till January 2024. Now this product, I actually looked it up and it's actually made in Korea, which is very interesting. And it's called Nixon. I've never heard of this, but this guy was 89 cents. The original price was $8.99. I made a video also this morning of a bunch of clearance finds, stuff I didn't buy. There was a ton of men's vitamins and supplements. So if you're a male couponer or if you want to get some stuff for your special guy, you might want to look through that because a lot of supplements are 90% off. This guy was 89 cents, and just to show you, if you want to double, triple check the expiry date, just so you're not buying old stuff, it's super holographic, but it doesn't expire till March of 2023. Sorry, that probably didn't really show you very well what the expiry date is. Interesting product, and yes, it is a hemorrhoid cream, but sometimes you might need it, you know. You might be not feeling so great, and it happens to all of us, and I know this is like the most embarrassing video ever, but you never know when you might need this. I found another one of these cuties, which is the Imodium, and it's a liquid, so anti-diarrhea oral solution, so liquid, and this guy doesn't expire. Everything's written so tiny. Sorry about that, guys. June of 2021, so I have a year to use it, and this guy was 69 cents. The original price was $6.99. And more heartburn relief, these guys were 94 cents each, and there's 100 tablets, comparable to Gaviscon. Between my mom and mother-in-law and my husband, I know they're really going to appreciate that. So if you're curious to see more of this stuff on clearance, I made a video this morning. I will link it at the end. Go and check it out. I would move on this stuff sooner than later because this is a lot of like meat and potato stuff that every household needs. And if you can grab like one of each for under, you know, $3, it's totally the way to do it. Let's just say you had to go and grab one of these if you were really sick. That's $6.99. So I mean, use some points, you're laughing. I mean, it's just such a great deal. So anyhow, that was my Walgreens haul. Loving it. Just to let you guys know that on August the 20th to 22nd, so Thursday, Friday, Saturday of next week, there's going to be another beauty event. That'll be our opportunity to pair the paper and digital 7,000 when you spend 25 to really build your points. So if you are using a couple of points here, a couple of points there, you know, just to get you really organized so you have points to use for the rest of the month. I know a lot of us go really hard on that. So anyhow, loving Walgreens this week. Okay, so the next two deals that we're gonna look at are at Rite Aid. Rite Aid is a pharmacy. You either have it or you don't. And the first deal is with these Cetaphil bar soaps. Now, when I bought them in the store, I actually thought they were the same product, but they're actually different. But both of them rang up for $2.99. Shout out to Ravi Patel. He actually showed this on Sunday on his Instagram. Right on the money with this deal as well, because it is a money maker. So at the store I was visiting, both of these were ringing up for $2.99, and they have different barcodes, and I'll show you guys what they are. So this is the first one, that's a lighter one, and this is the second one. And this is a value pack as well. So, you know, clearance is always a your mileage may vary. 3 bars in this value pack, and this one's open too, so there's a little bit of extra value there. 3 of them for $2.99. The original price was like $12.99, and for 2 of them, guys, that's $5.98. I had to pay that with bonus cash. I wasn't gonna pay that one out of pocket. And I got back $5 of bonus cash, so the deal with Cetaphil is buy 2, get $5 back. I believe there are no manufacturers at the time for these products. There usually is one kicking around, but I haven't seen one in a long time. And I do like the Cetaphil line, like that's a personal choice of mine. My husband likes it too because it's very gentle on the skin. So anyhow, $5.98, I rolled some bonus cash, which is pre-existing bonus cash on my store card I used to pay for the deal, and then I got back an extra $5. So 98 cents for 2 of these, oh my gosh. But hold on to your hat, this gets a lot better. Ibotta has a $2.50 rebate for each, so I got an extra $5 back from Ibotta, so it made it free, plus a $4.02 money maker. Thank you to Ravi again, and just to let you know, at Ravi's store, these were ringing up for like $3.19 or $3.20. But over here in Michigan they were $2.99, and I was so delighted that we had the same clearance at the same time that I could do this deal because it's fabulous, especially with Ibotta. Okay, the next deal is with digital coupons. I grabbed one of these Oral-B toothbrushes tagged for $4, and then one toothpaste tagged for $4. We have dollar digital coupons that'll drop it down to $3 a pop, so that's $6 for the two. And then you will get back $3 for a toothbrush, $3 for a toothpaste. You've maxed it out on your store card, but still 2 free dental care products, and that is with digital coupons. I know a lot of you have been kind of disillusioned with the P&G Good Everyday site, and they ran out of gift cards. That's the latest and greatest they've been saying. I'm not sure if they're gonna revamp it, but you know what I would do if I were you? I would still submit your gift cards or your receipts for dental, Tide. Keep building your points. You have nothing to lose. And then, you know, when you get a bunch of points on your store card, perhaps they might have some offer later for us. Possibly, maybe not, who knows. But you have nothing to lose by photographing your receipt and sending it off to that website. Possibly there might be something, you know, next month or later in the fall, and just build up your points. Again, you have nothing to lose. Okay guys, so now we're gonna look at some inserts. These are from the A2 week. If you want to get in touch with Sandra, please send her a quick message. Her Gmail email will be listed in the notes, along with her link tree and all the info on how to get in touch with her. Now, I do know that the postal service, everything is like really delayed, and that really isn't her fault. Even like I've been buying some stuff from eBay, and there was a seller out in Colorado, and my stuff got stuck at a post office in like Pittsburgh for 2 weeks. So you guys know it's been really slow. So if you need these tomorrow, this might not be the best avenue for you, but if there's something that catches your eye and, you know, it'll work, it'll time out for you, that, you know, obviously go for it. But just letting you know though that if you need something like within 2 days, that might not happen because. So the first one is a Retail Me Not, and a lot of these coupons expire on the 29th. As you remember earlier in the video, I was talking about how there was a beauty event later in the month over at Walgreens, so those will definitely put them into use. Pause anytime you want to look at these a little closer. I do talk quite a bit. Hearing aid, I think I need one of those. Okay, these are the really great ones. I know that a lot of people have been buying at Kroger and stuff a bunch of pure protein really cheap, and this is the one for the bigger one as well. Vitamins. And then over at Walmart, there's a real cheap deal with this coupon, and IBOTTA for some free Aquafresh toothpaste. Okay, and then we have some water here on the back. So that was the first one. And then we have 2 variations here of the Smart Source. Oh, that's good till September 1. There's always a deal for that at Walgreens. IBOTTA has a rebate for those little cheese bites, so definitely gonna be using that coupon. Effordent, Bic. I think there's a razor for like $3 and some change at both Dollar General and Walmart, so with this it would be very inexpensive. And it does say Bic Soleil. And we have $1 off the body wash. And this one that's a little different, another Smart Source. Now I heard a rumor that next week too, there's supposed to be a clearance event over at Dollar General. So 50% off a clearance, and you guys know we go really hard on it. Something like this, $2 effort in on clearance, or $4 effort in on clearance. I'm getting that guy for free. Okay, let's go look at Sandra's price board, guys. Okay, guys, so we're taking a quick peek at her link tree. This will be linked in the notes. So where the description is of the video, like, you know, Tuesday haul, it'll be just below that. So just tap on it. So her link tree, her email, and all of her information. And also, if you're an old school emailer, you can also send her a quick message. So some of those coupons that I showed you from the 8-2 bundle, along with the 8-9 bundle, so for this weekend, will be in that first package. And then also, I think in that 8-9 bundle, there's some gain in there. So she has various bundles, like a 5 of each, a 10 of each, a 20 of each if you're absolutely wild. And then the 8-16 beauty books with the beauty event on the 20th to 22nd. You know, if that's something you want to buy, that's there for you as well. As always, thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.